In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize Notebooklm. Customizing in Notebooklm is a quick way to shape what the tool creates, so the output matches your needs. You can adjust things like the tone, what the content focuses on, and how long it should be. This is especially useful when you are generating different formats, because each format can benefit from slightly different instructions. To begin, open any notebook in Notebooklm. It can be a notebook you already use, or a new one with sources you have added. The key is that you are inside a notebook, because the customization options you are about to use live in the Notebook Workspace. Next, look to the right side panel, often called the Studio area. This is where Notebooklm groups different creation tools into tiles. In this panel, locate the tile for the type of output you want to create. You will be looking for Audio Overview, Quiz, or Slide Deck. Take a moment to confirm you are on the right tile, since each one can be customized separately, and your instructions apply only to the tile you edit. Once you have found the tile you want, click Customize by selecting the small pencil icon on that specific tile. This opens the customization field for that tool. Think of this as your chance to give clear guidance before Notebooklm generates anything. Writing good instructions here helps you get better results and reduces the need for regenerating. Now enter your instructions. Type your specific requirements, such as the tone you want, the main focus or topic emphasis, or the target length. Keep your wording direct and specific. For example, you can ask for a professional tone, a beginner-friendly explanation, or a shorter output that stays tightly focused on key takeaways. When you are done, click Save to store those instructions for that tile. Finally, generate your content by clicking the Generate button on the same tile. Notebooklm will create the audio overview, quiz, or slide deck using the instructions you saved. If you plan to create multiple outputs, remember that you can repeat the same customization process for each tile. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.